Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video I have the December collection from Madam Glam, and it's just going to be kind of a relaxed review at the beginning. This collection here is their Cat Eye Magnetic Gel collection, and they sent 9 colors. And then earlier, about a month or so ago, they sent another color to me, and that's part of the collection right here. And then they also sent like two sand gel polishes. I think that must be maybe a new collection that's coming out that maybe they wanted me to show you just some of those and what they look like. So I'm going to be swatching all these colors for you on swatch sticks. I'm also going to give you a closer look at the magnets that they sent. I have my coupon code on the screen right now so that you can save 30% on your order. The link will be in the description box for you. Now this is the holiday season. They are running a lot of specials, a lot of sales, maybe even more discounts than I can give you at 30%. So, you know, all you need to do is just head on over to Madam Glam. Again, the coupon code is on the screen and the link is in the description box. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this swatching done. I wanted to show you this one because this is the Super Cat Eye Gel. This one is a white. It's like a, no, it's like a silverish, whitish color. I'm gonna put this black bag behind here so you can see it. Now, the reason I want to show you this color and talk about it is because this color here, you can put any kind of clear jelly polish over top of. You can keep it the white color, or you can just put a jelly over top. Now I don't know if this is gonna work. You're gonna see it. Probably gonna have to do, of course, a couple coats. So I'm gonna use my own magnet for this one. Sometimes I feel like their magnets out there are just not strong enough. Yeah, this is gonna have to have like a second coat. Let's put it on a little bit thicker, because it's like a clear form, a clear swatch stick, so it's really hard to see. Alright, so let's see if you can see that a little bit better. Oh yeah. So you'll want to put these on a little bit thicker. Okay, see that? I don't know if you can see that one. But I did want you to know that this one is the one that you can put any kind of color of the jelly polish over top of that if you want to have it colored. Other than that, you can just leave it the silver white color that it is. See, this says Kevin. So this collection here is from the movie Home Alone. I do know that much. And here you see where it says Home Alone. And here is the new collection. I believe this is some type of a sand gel, which I don't have any of it. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Yeah, it's very textured, you know? Beautiful. And here's the other one they sent. These must reflect stone. All right, let's see. The names are reflecting stone. Ooh, that's pretty. Has a slight pink color. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love it. I love this one. Definitely 2 coats though, I think would give it a nice look. Oh yeah. Has gold shimmer in it. How pretty is that? 2 coats on this we're gonna do. These two I did 2 layers of the gel polish, and they're called Terrazzo and Agate. And I have my gloves on, and I felt, and it didn't even feel like it had a sticky layer to it. So I took my alcohol and my wipes and wiped them off, and that's what they look like. They're really shiny. I would kind of want these in matte. So here they are. They both look very beautiful. This one again is just buffed with a fine yellow buffing block, and this one is using their velvet matte top coat. And if you don't know, this is actually a no wipe top coat.